Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos, as I upload my new videos on every Sunday, and we are soon going to cross 5k subscribers, and it's a very big thing for me. So do subscribe if you are seeing my face for the first time. I upload really very good videos, so do watch them. Till now I have uploaded almost around 80 to 90 videos, so you'll get something interesting in that, so do watch that. So for today I'll be telling you something about these wine bottles. Yes. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so guys, actually these are the lipsticks which are in a wine bottle shaped. They are from ADS, and it's really trending now. Like, I saw with many of my friends in college, and I thought to try them, and I tried it, and I would love to share with you guys how it worked. So these are the wine bottles. Sorry, these are the lipsticks which are shaped in wine bottles, and they are having almost 24 shades and all of dark colors around red and maroon colors. You can't buy this product online, as you'll get confused which product to buy, which shade to buy. Like, see, this cap almost looks similar, but they both are different. Little shade is different between them, and you'll get to know only if you see with your own eyes and you apply and try it. So I have got these two bottles, and they have no code, nothing written over it. So to differentiate between different bottles, you have only one number over here. See, I hope you can see. There's a number written over here. You can differentiate by this number only. So I have took 8 number and 13 number. So I'll apply on my face and let you know how it works. So it looks something like this. It's literally like a wine bottle, and it is opening from above like this, and it's in a liquid form. It's not a proper lipstick, or it's in a liquid form. So I'll apply it. I have applied it, and it takes almost 30 seconds to dry since it's liquid, and the color is coming out a lot. If you touch it when it's not dry, it will get something like this. Seriously, it's really messy. I didn't like this thing. Like, it literally literally color comes out if we touch, and it gets spread. It's not removing. Like, see, it's getting spread. So I didn't like that thing. It's dried now, and it's feeling like something powdery thing. Like, it's not feeling moisturized. I think it will dry my lips, but I don't know. But I like the color. The color is really very nice. And now, since it is dried, we'll try. It's not coming out. I'll try with the tissue paper. No color has come out. So I don't know, I don't understand, like, what type of lipstick is this. Like, literally color is not coming out from here, and it's good. It will not put any stains of lipstick, but I think it will really dry my lips. So for some time or for some occasions I can use it, and I literally like the shade and color. It's looking nice, I think so. So do let me know in the comment section how it is looking. And literally I don't understand why it's really not coming out. And I'm not gonna try other shade now. It's something I'll show you on my hands, but I'm not gonna try on my lips. Like, I am literally liking this color, and I'll keep for some time, and I literally like the color. Looking amazing. Yes, it's looking really very nice. And this is the first time I'm using something like this, some other shade than pink. So maroon, I thought I won't like it, but literally I'm liking it after applying it. Like, it's giving a different look on my face. So that's it. And I have bought, and they are even cheap, you may get anywhere. They are of ADS, and I bought it almost for 100 or 110. That's it. And if the shopkeeper is asking you for more, then don't pay. Like 100 and 110, you get this. And you even get online, but I suggest don't buy online. You will get confused between the shades. So better go to shop or go somewhere and then buy. Check yourself and then buy the shades. ये निकल ही नहीं रहा है. Guys, निकल ही नहीं रहा है. Guys, seriously, it's not coming out. What should I do? I think I have to literally use a makeup remover or something like that. But seriously, it's not coming out. I don't know, it's something different. It's trending, at least now in India it's coming and everyone are using. So do try it, at least buy once and do try. I liked it. Like, it's something literally different other than normal lipsticks, and it even feels something like, I don't know. Just do try. Once you'll try, you'll get to know what I want to say and what actually I am trying to say. So do try, it's quite cheap. And that's it for today. Don't forget to give thumbs up if you like this video, and comment below that how it's looking and what further videos you would love to see and what other things you want me to try. And that's it. Bye bye. See you in next video. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please do subscribe. We'll soon reach 5k subscribers. And that's it. Bye bye.